My bio hair is fine, thin graying, and hard to keep styled. No problem with my beautiful new topper from UniWigs. This is Breeze in the new closed lace option. Original lace front, when glued down, it's secure and seamless, ideal for updos or receding hairlines. Lace needs initial trim. Mine is in the color dusty ash brown, texture is Burmese, wavy after washing. Density is 120%, length 16. Comes with 7 inches pre-cut layers, so she's ready to style and wear. The closed lace edge sits flat, so the transition is undetectable. Blends seamlessly with my own hair for a completely natural appearance. Crown area has a generous parting space, all hand-tied into fine Swiss luxe lace. The closed lace edge is reinforced, so it doesn't need trimming and won't fray. Comfortable 8.5 by 9 inches base with 4 high-quality pressure-sensitive clips. Includes 2 spare clips and a comb. Scar tape for a realistic scalp in part line. Plus a halo wire, if you prefer a clip-free alternative. Attach halo wire to loops at front, pull-on wires to adjust to size. Clip back your bio hair first, it helps hold the halo wire in place during install. Stretch the halo wire behind ears and under occipital bone. Align topper part to your part line and lace edge on or just behind your hairline. Remove clip to release your bio hair. Brush to integrate with your bio hair. If desired, use side and back clips for added security. Scoop out bio hair from behind halo wire and brush to blend. Stick scar tape along part line for a more realistic scalp-like appearance. Although not as secure for updos as the glued lace fiant, you can wear it back for short periods. Added extra clips and the comb for better hold. Changing the part is easy, and bangs are doable too.